in 2009, it was such a tremendously challenging year for all types of businesses, but the pace and the need for speed that it really instilled in organizations was tremendously motivating, and is tremendously motivating, I think, for anybody who's succeeded through this past year and prospered through this past year and even just stayed focused on good business this past year. So it's a tremendous boot camp for good business and tremendously motivating at the speed and pace that everyone's had to perform at this past year to just simply survive and thrive.